Thank you. New video tonight in the case of a woman whose beating by a JSO officer was captured on jail surveillance cameras in April. Her attorney now releasing several additional videos, including this one appearing to show a corrections officer grabbing Mayra Martinez by the hair and pulling her to the ground. First Coast News investigator Ann Schindler takes a closer look.
Officer Akinyeme Borisade is the officer in this video, shown punching a handcuffed Mayra Martinez several times. The state attorney's office yesterday issued a report that said Martinez's injuries weren't severe enough to warrant a felony charge against the officer. The report also dismissed her as an unreliable witness. Attorney Reed Hart accused prosecutors today of libeling his client by bringing up her history of mental illness and prior criminal record.
I don't think it's anything more than a bare attempt by the assistant state attorney handling a case in which she is a victim to denigrate and humiliate her unnecessarily.
Prosecutor Richard Manti disputed that.
Do I believe that I libeled her? I think this disposition statement sets out a lot of facts, so unless someone is going to say that the facts were wrong, again, if they want to file a libel complaint, I suppose they will.
Martinez attorneys also released videos of Officer Borisade being interviewed by the JSO Integrity Unit, in which he appears to cry, but then later defends what he did.
What does the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office policy and procedures state about suspects that are handcuffed? Are we allowed to strike them?
Yes, sir.
In what way? Because she was handcuffed, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And did you strike her?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
JSO also interviewed the officer in this dashcam video of Martinez's original arrest, which showed another takedown. The officers appeared to understand that that particular video might have bad optics.
When you're on the ground fighting somebody, you guys are landing on hard pavement. So if you slam somebody's head on the mat, it may not look as hard. When you slam somebody's head on the pavement and you see it from a dash cam, it looks bad.
Then this, also jailhouse video, showing a naked Martinez being yanked to the ground by a corrections officer and then subdued by several male officers. This after what the state attorney's office called erratic and aggressive behavior.
It's just very disappointing, both professionally and as a member of the community, that officers are not being held to the same standard as the citizens, as we as citizens are held.
That was Ann Schindler reporting. Now, we reached out to JSO about whether any additional charges might be forthcoming for the officers involved in the newly released video. The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office says it found no criminal wrongdoing by any employee, but is looking to see whether there may have been any policy violations.